Guys, welcome to my channel and in this video we're going to discuss carpal tunnel syndrome and इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना बिकॉज मैं लास्ट में कुछ टेंडन ग्लाइडिंग एक्सरसाइजेस भी बताने वाली हूँ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. CTS occurs due to compression of the median nerve as it passes through the carpal tunnel. Now, median nerve is a part of the brachial plexus and it supplies the flexor muscles of the forearm, wrist and hand. So let's discuss the anatomy of the carpal tunnel. Carpal tunnel एक बहुत ही narrow tunnel है present in the wrist. It is about an inch wide. The floor of this tunnel is made up by the carpal bones and the roof of this tunnel is made up by a ligament known as the transverse carpal ligament. ये जो कार्पल टनल है इट्स अ वेरी रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर एंड देयर इज नो रूम फॉर स्ट्रेचिंग. सो व्हेन द मीडियन नर्व पासिस थ्रू इट, अगर इस टनल का नैरोइंग हो जाता है या फिर इसके अंदर के जो टिश्यूज़ हैं वो स्वेल अप हो जाते हैं, इट कॉजेज प्रेशर अपॉन द मीडियन नर्व कॉजिंग कंप्रेशन ऑफ द मीडियन नर्व लीडिंग टू द सिम्टम्स ऑफ CTS. Now let's discuss the causes and risk factors of CTS. So common causes include repetitive wrist motion, ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ जहाँ पे आप अपना रिपीटेड रिस्ट का फ्लेक्शन या फिर एक्सटेंशन कर रहे हो, और ट्रॉमा, कोई प्रीवियस रिस्ट या फिर हैंड इंजरी, या फिर अनाटमिकल फैक्टर्स जैसे कुछ लोगों में नेचुरली जो कार्पल टनल होता है वो स्मॉल या फिर नैरो होता है. दैट कुड ऑल्सो बी अ प्रीडिस्पोजिशन टू दिस कंडीशन. Factors also include systemic conditions like diabetes and thyroid. Now let's discuss symptoms of CTS. Since median nerve के दोनों sensory and motor functions होते हैं, तो इस condition के symptoms भी दो चीज़ों में divided है, sensory and motor symptoms. Sensory symptoms include numbness, tingling and pain in the thumb, index finger, middle finger and radial half of the ring finger. Motor symptoms include weakening of the grip and dropping of things due to unable to grip tightly, along with weakness in movements such as thumb opposition, abduction and flexion. Now, special tests to diagnose CTS includes Phalen's test. So basically this is Phalen's test where you have to hold your wrist in complete flexion for 30 to 60 seconds and जब patient इस position को hold करेगा तो उसे numbness, pain and tingling feel होगा thumb, index finger, middle finger and radial half of the ring finger में. Other special test is Tinel sign where you tap along the median nerve supply on the palmar aspect of your hand and it will lead to reproduction of symptoms. Other diagnosing methodology include taking a thorough physical examination and history taking, and nerve conduction study में median nerve का conduction will be slowed down. So now we come to the physiotherapy management of CTS. So in the acute stage we use braces and splint to immobilize the wrist, especially at night because रात को सोते हुए हमारी normal tendency होती है to flex our wrist and sleep, and इस case में हमें wrist flexion को avoid करना है. So we use a brace to immobilize the wrist. Then we go for electrotherapy to reduce pain and use modalities such as TENS, ultrasound and icing. Then we also educate the patient regarding activity modification and teach them to avoid activities that aggravate pain and to avoid excessive wrist flexion or extension. Then in the subacute stage we go for tendon gliding techniques and nerve gliding techniques. इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना बिकॉज मैं एंड में कुछ टेंडन ग्लाइडिंग टेक्निक्स भी बताने वाली हूँ. Then we also go for stretching of the wrist and fingers. In the chronic stage, we work on the strengthening part. Strengthening में we perform activities like putty exercises that include squeezing, rolling and pinching. And we also go for rubber band resisted finger flexion and extension. And हम thumb की strengthening पे भी काम करते हैं using TheraBand and rubber bands. We also work on grip strengthening along with coordination and dexterity training. हम prehension activities जो हाथ की fine motor skills, बारीक activities होती हैं जैसे कि coin उठाना या button लगाना, इन छोटे fine motor activities पे भी काम करते हैं and we teach the patient to be coordinate. To improve coordination of the hand, you can also use pegboard where you have to pick up small objects and place them very finely in a board. So that is also very useful to improve the prehension activity of the hand. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.